Okay, just a quickie to show you how to turn this into a very usable, practical, vertical, square foot gardening system. Also, bonus to boot, I end up reinforcing the front of the rickety old shed. Right, once you've picked the area you're going to use, you want to get yourself some cheap wood for framing, some OSB 3 Sterling board. I'm using cheap old screws I got from the auction, and some pond liner. Cut to size and attach the OSB to the front of the shed. Now we're growing grapes up this pagoda, so this shadow is going to move across the wall at different times of the day. Hopefully this will give us a more controlled environment in which to grow things. Next stage, cut your pond liner just oversized and affix to the wall using staples. Frame around your edge using some of your cheap mass bought auction wood. Run some horizontal beams across at the spacings that will fit your chosen pots or planters. We've chosen these from Poundland, they're 2 foot long. Next you want to cut lots of equal cross pieces so you can start framing your channels. To these cross pieces now you can add your uprights. One here, and also I've put one in the middle for extra strength. Check all the way through that your planters fit, then decide how you want them. I've built this so that we can move them about. We can have either 4 or 5 depending on how bushy the plants grow in there. Now the bit at the bottom, that will have tomato plants in it. That's why the first row is so high. Now, as you can see, it really doesn't stick out that far. This really is vertical square foot gardening. Takes up hardly any space and you get nice fresh veg all summer long. Can't beat it really, can you? And if I do say so myself, considering how it started here, the look of the garden has improved 1000%. Now the Sterling board was to strengthen the shed, the pond liner was to waterproof the front, so it doesn't matter how much you water this, nothing's going to get in the shed. You don't have to use those 2 options if you want, just whack it up from scrap wood. Grow something this year, enjoy your garden.